Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to tell you today about how the Zulu King, King Goodwill's Welethini, or Zwelithi. I'm horrible with pronunciation, so if I butchered the gentleman's name, I apologize. So my apologies. Well, King Goodwill of the Zulus, last year in 2017, on the anniversary of the Battle of Isandlwana, last year it was the 138th anniversary. This year is going to be the 139th anniversary come January 22nd. But last year on January 22nd, he honored the battle by promoting social cohesion between the Anglos and the Zulus, or between the British and the Zulus. And I'm for this. I'm for British-Zulu social cohesion, and that's what's been going on the past, I would say, 5 to 10 years. And I have to give King Goodwill a thumbs up on this because he's doing the right thing. And the old saying is, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, this there was a picture in one of the articles that was written about it, and it was a Zulu warrior doing a reenactment of the battle, and he was holding the British flag. It was not selling out to the enemy or anything like that. But what it was doing was respect for your former opponent, and them respecting you, and then moving forward to the future and coming together because we're all God's children. And I really admired that picture, and I really liked that picture of that Zulu warrior holding the Union Jack, or aka the British flag. So it was really moving and really touched me, particularly, when I come from a state like Mississippi where black-white tension is better than before, but it still goes on more than it should. So when I see a picture like that, it really, really touches me, really moves me. So I was happy to see that picture, and happy for the king to say what he said about social cohesion between the British and the Zulus. Anyways, whoever's doing well, take care. God bless them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.